on the road. She ride dick like carnival. I done did the impossible.
Way too rich to drive a road. Made a milli out the stove. She let to put it in her nose. Pretty bitch with white toes. I done put her all the bros. I done put her in the rose. I done put up in the ghost. I done reached all my goals. Yeah, yeah, pull up with Yeezy and dollar sign. I'm all about business, I'm man of man. Pull up in the trees like Caliban. Pull up with a rocket like number 9. I don't want your hoes. Your nigga reach all the goals. Let her suck the dick, said she was a pro. She scrape with teeth, I'ma tell her to go. Go, 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 go. Hair so good, she an honor roll. She ride a dick like a carnival. I done did the impossible. Go, 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 go. Hair so good, she an honor roll. She ride a dick like a carnival. I done did the impossible.
She ride it like she's facts. We turn up to the max. I whop her from the back. I gave that bitch a cramp. They love me out in France. In the hood, I'm good, I'm stamped. Every day I dress all black. For sure 900 rags. To the East Coast double that. On my neck a bubble back. On my wrist new Cadillac. Cause I all don't want a bag. Little bitch, I'm a superstar. These hoes wanna fuck my car. My dog put a nigga in park. Gotta watch out for the noise. Ay.
This the Game of Thrones, Yeezy not the clones. Elon with my rocket ship, it's time to go home. They served us the porn, since the day we was born. Anybody pissed off, gotta make a drink the urine. Now I'm Ye Kelly, bitch. Now I'm Bill Cosby, bitch. Now I'm Puff Daddy Rich. That's me, to me rich. What she say, she said my dick. And she said she ain't said my dick. She gon' take it up the air like a ventriloquist. I mean, sis Taylor Swift. Since I had the rolling on the wrist, I'm the new Jesus, bitch. I turn water to Chris. This for what they did to Chris. They can't do shit with this. Got my kids in a fake school. We ain't. Go, 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 go. Hair so good, she an honor roll. She ride a dick like a carnival. I done did the impossible. Go, 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 go. Hair so good, she an honor roll. She ride a dick like a carnival. I done did the impossible.
She ride dick like a carnival. Been over having flashbacks, she gon' eat me up like a carnival. It's the way I pop my shit, the hoes not ready. I'm going barnacles. Moving to feel like a Jason, can't get arrested, I make them star mode. She want a private session, roll out from the X's when I'm on Melrose. She tatted my name on her titties, yeah you could bust it, but it's a borrow. Sit back counting up doors, I was raised in the barrow. She wanna taste it, checking the sweat today, ho, come back tomorrow. If you know what I know, how'd you hoe? Just off the fetch, don't having them honchos. Running around in the lobby, I know that they tired me, having like 10 hoes. She needs some credentials just to be presidential. I'm about to buy some dentures, make the hoe eat me for dinner. Pain, all in my eyes, I can't see. I'm about to jump out my body, I'm ready to leave. I'm about to nut on her body and tell her whole leave. 50 mil stuff in the bag, tell the whole gang eat. The Jake and body, tell me who fucking with we. I'm hot like the Carter, I'm feeling that hole in my sleep. Dollar signs all in my dreams, I don't never see Z's. Wow, wow, wow.